In my last video, I talked about some leaked specifications of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, and on paper the specifications were impressive. Today, however, the official renders of all the phones under the Huawei Mate 30 series were shared by none other than BLASS, and the phones include the Huawei Mate 30, Mate 30 Pro, Mate 30 Lite, and the Mate 30 Porsche edition. While we already know how the Mate 30 Pro looks like thanks to the CAD renders and some other leaks, this new leak gives us a pretty good look at every member of the Mate 30 series. Starting off with the Huawei Mate 30, it is going to have a similar design as the Mate 30 Pro from the back with that circular camera setup housing the quad cameras. There is a xenon flash as well. Now on the front there is an S2S display, but unlike the Mate 30 Pro, the Huawei Mate 30 has a flat display. Moreover, the notch is smaller than that on the Mate 30 Pro because there are two front-facing cameras instead of three. Still, it is most likely that the regular Mate 30 has the same face unlock system as that on the Mate 30 Pro. Coming to the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, it has a display with curved edges and the notch is bigger than that on the Mate 30. This is because there are now triple front cameras. There is a quad camera setup on the back, and going by the previous leaks, there is a primary 40 megapixel camera with Sony IMX600 sensor, a secondary 40 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, an 8 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a fourth time of flight sensor. Along with the xenon flash on the rear, there is also a color temperature sensor. The SoC powering the Huawei Mate 30 Pro could be the Kirin 990 5G instead of the regular Kirin 990 that we may see on the regular Mate 30. Now, compared to the regular Kirin 990, the Kirin 990 5G is based on a better 7nm plus process, has higher clock speeds, has better NPU and more transistors. So the performance is obviously better than the non-5G version of the Kirin 990. There is a big 4500 mAh battery with 40 watt fast wired charging and 27 watt fast wireless charging. Then there is the Huawei Mate 30 Lite, and this is no surprise since every year we get the Lite version, which is a mid-range device. The Huawei Mate 30 Lite is just the Huawei Nova 5i Pro but with a different name as per some sources. So it has a Kirin 810 chipset, quad rear cameras that include 48 megapixel primary shooter, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. There is a 4000 mAh battery and the device features an LCD hole punch display on the front. Finally, we have the Huawei Mate 30 Porsche edition, which is the most expensive member of the Mate 30 series. It has a premium design with a leather-like finish on the back. While we don't know if it has specifications different than the Mate 30 Pro, we do know that it is more expensive than the Mate 30 Pro. Well, that's all about this latest leak that revealed the press standards of the upcoming Huawei Mate 30 series phones. What are your views on the design of Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.